Okay, I admit. Maybe I've not been coping too well. Now, forced into the walls of my bedroom, surrounded by my very shadows that I had been successful in evading, drowned in assignments, a result of my own procrastination, lost in the madness of my mind. Anxiety whispers in my ear every night, and, well, no one is there to stop him. The voice in my head covers my ears. She tells me not to listen and find solace, for he will keep me sane. So the next day, I seek him out. He tells me, try new meals, experiment with all of your favorite ingredients. Be proud of yourself, regardless of the taste. And be creative with the presentation. And clean your room. You need the illusion of space in order to think clearly. Rearrange some things so that you don't look at the same room every day. Put on makeup, he says, even if it's just a little. Your eyes light up when you do. Brush the tangles out of your hair. You like it smooth? Run some coconut oil along your pretty locks. Pet your dog. Let him know he's loved. Hold him and kiss his head. Smell his fur. Rub your thumb along his paw. And remember that comfort when you need it. Catch up on your shows. You always complained about how you never had enough time to finish them. Get lost in the plot. Worry about someone else's problems for a while. Dance to feel mobile. Sing to express. Write to gain control. Read to escape. Film to storytell. Embrace your mother to feel safe. And laugh to forget your sadness. Finally, he says, hold on to me. When you tire of walking, I will be the rock you sit on. When you tire of climbing, I will be the cave you rest in. And when you tire of swimming, I will be the log you hold on to. Hold on to me and find the comfort in the sweet of my solace.